you jump? Can you jump? That's not jumping. That's like crazy head banging. Adeline, can you jump? Oh, are you tired? I bet you have a little jump action left in you. You are weird. You are very weird. No, I'm not. Sorry, you're totally normal. What was I thinking? Can you wave? Hiya. Are you ready to get out? Are you ready to get out? All done jumping? All done jumping? All right, I'll help you.